Final week, Unit 6. Outstanding. So, as we look at this particular discussion for this week, and I moved you into my nerd room, by the way, um, how has this course most contributed toward preparation for a career related to your major field or another career in which you will use this knowledge and skills? How have you employed critical thinking and ethical reasoning and the exercises in this course and or in preparation for completion of your final project? Please explain your answers. In your response to others, comment on their findings and share insights that might further their thought on these two topics as well as their own. As some of you have probably noticed in my biography, I wanted to be a history teacher. As some of you have also probably noticed, I'm not a history teacher. I teach computer science. And the reason for me actually teaching computer science is, number one, I enjoyed it, but it's also, my thought process was, what particular degree field could I go into that was more employable, right? And then so that was kind of my soul searching where that's concerned. And the other part is something that I've gone into in a lot of your discussion posts is I've asked ethical questions. Is this the right way? What's the ethical considerations where this is concerned? And the other thing that I asked about when you were trying to find use of skills last week was, could you see yourself doing that all the time? I wanted to be a teacher for a very long time. I just couldn't figure out what type of teacher. Instructor, professor, whatever. And I then ran into business when I was in a drawdown unit in Germany. And then I eventually went into the computer science side, which was part of that, and then so it was all this number of things that occurred that eventually bring me there. But the one thing is I know that I could live being a computer science instructor, and I know that I could live being an instructor. And these are kind of the questions you go through, and kind of where this particular week and the discussion is at. So kind of keep that in mind as you go through, and good luck on your final project. It's final project day, or rather week, and then you'll be done, and then it'll be Christmas, and then you'll start on something else. But regardless, I look forward to seeing your responses. I look forward to see your what's going on, and take care of yourself, and good luck this week. Remember to plan ahead, get your stuff in early. If you wait till the day it's due, something will go wrong. Something always goes wrong if it's the day it's due. It's just the way it is. So thank you very much for your time.